Good evening, this is Conway Copas, and this is Sansar Baguio Newsbits Tonight. Mayor Benjamin Magalong announced Baguio City under citywide community quarantine as a preventive measure against the coronavirus disease. As Magalong declared the city a step away from being down, stern warnings were issued to businessmen taking advantage of the health crisis and likewise advised visitors to stay away from the city. Magalong said the decision to escalate preventive steps into a community quarantine stemmed from the continuous entry of travelers to the city, the amount of people who frequented bars over the last week, as well as the influx of travelers who are sick going to the city to be treated. The mayor said the next step for the city is a lockdown if and when there is a community transmission confirmed of the virus. Magalong also extended the suspension of classes on all levels for both private and public until April 15. Guidelines of the community quarantine include restrictions on movement which is limited to residences unless reasons are essential to work, buying of provisions, medical purposes, and important errands. Non-essential social gatherings held in parks, recreation centers, the hospitality industry, conferences, function halls, and similar venues are disallowed. Public transport will not be hampered in the city but must operate in compliance with transport sector guidelines which mandate distancing at least 1 meter apart. Mandatory declaration forms will also be filled by every passenger, and all those who have temperatures above normal will have to undergo validation tests and be directed immediately to government hospitals. Meanwhile, the Department of Health Cordillera has confirmed the first case of the coronavirus in the region. DOH CAR Director Dr. Amelita Pangilinan identified the first case to have emanated in the province of Abra.
Cordillera Administrative Region reported its first COVID-19 case in the region. This is a 39-year-old male overseas Filipino worker who departed from the United Arab Emirates last March 2, 2020. The case had a 2-hour layover and change of flight in Thailand before arriving in the Philippines. So on March 9, 2020, the case experienced fever and colds. So on March 10, he visited a hospital in La Union to fetch his mother who was currently admitted in the said facility.
And that's your Sansar Baguio Newsbits Tonight. For more updates, visit us at our website, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel. For Sansar Baguio, I'm Conway Copas.